Hi dear students, this is Srinu, Faculty of Math, Akshara IIT and NEET Foundations. So welcome to class 6 IIT Mathematics. In the previous class we have discussed about algebraic expressions, the definitions among objectives. And in this session let's continue the same topic, algebraic expressions in class 6. So here we have some objective, let's focus on it. So 3x minus half x plus 3 by 2x minus 4x. Let's simplify these two first. 3x minus 4x means minus 1x. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So they are like fractions. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Right? 2 by 2 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Option C is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Fifth one. 1/4 of the product of P and Q. 1/4 of the product of P and Q. Just read the question. PQ by 4. Answer is PQ by 4. So likewise we will do. Let's go for the next sum. Find the product of xy, yz and zx. For x how many times we have? 2 times. Y 2 times. Z 2 times. Answer is x square, y square and z square. And p is equal to 4x square, t is equal to 5x, r is equal to 5y. Just replace the terms, just multiply these ptr in the sense, here 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100. And the denominator we have 100, both gets cancelled, so there is no numerals. So here, please check out, obviously you can go for option C and check it. X square x y, x square x and y, x cube y. Please check it. So no need to substitute and do like the regular math. Find the product of 2x and 3x minus y. Here just multiply 2 3s are 6 x square and 2 1s are 2 minus 2xy. So 6x square minus 2xy. Option A. Next one. On multiplying 7x square by minus 6x cube we get, so 7 6 are minus 42. X square and x power 3 is x power 5. What we get here? Minus 42 x power 5. Minus 42 x power 5. And 10th, 3 4 7. 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84. And the x terms, x square x, x power 3, y square y. X square x and x power 3. X power 6 you will get, and y square y power 3, y power 6, obviously 84, x square and y square. Please check it once. Let's move to the next question. Eleventh. So minus 3 a square b minus 7 a b square c cube. Please check these sums. Have a look. I will explain this. Let's do. Minus and minus, we will get plus. 3 7s are 21. So a square and a power 3. B and b square, b power 3. C and c power 3, c power 4. 21 a power 3, b power 3, c power 4. Option C. Product of. So 4 2s are 8. Where is 8? Let's search for 8. Three options we have. Minus 8 we want. Here minus 8 is there. So we have here minus 8. So answer will be in between B and D. You can guess first. And x square, but here x is there. Here x square is there. We go from D. Because minus into minus plus 4xy square, right? So no need to waste the time of doing total answer like our regular math. We just eliminate from the options to speed up the answer. So here you can see minus will come. This is not, and yeah, three options are there. And all we have minus 20, minus 20, minus 20. And let us check the powers. X power 2 you will get y z. Minus 2 x power 2 yz, option A, right? Hope you're following. And here some fractions we have 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2, 1 by 7. So 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2 we will take 7 by 2, 1 1 by 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 1, 8 by 7, right? You can cancel here 7 and 7, and you can cancel here 4 times, 4 2 times, so 2 will come. A, 2a power 3, BC. Check the options, where is 2a power 3 BC? Yes, this is the answer. 2a power 3 BC, please check it out. And the next one, let's move on to the next section. Here, multiple answer type. The question is addition and subtraction of like terms. 6x square y, 5xy square minus 8xy square minus 7yx square. The question is like that. So 6x square y, x square y, these two are like terms. 6 minus 7 is how much? 1. Yeah, both are x terms, and sorry, here the question is not add, just what are the like terms, that's all. What are the like terms? Yeah, these two are like terms. 6x square y minus 7x square y are like terms, and 5xy square minus 8xy square, right? So A and B, because this question is like a multiple answer type, we have to choose at least two options. Two options will come. Okay. The next one, the value of the monomial 5x integer type. So here, see, in one of the value is 0. So no need to substitute and do all. So all are like multiplication product only. Obviously we will get 0. Degree of the product of. First we have to do the multiplication. Next we have to find the degree. So degree in the sense here x power 2, y power 2, z power 2. So degree is obviously 2. The next, value of x minus 1, x plus 1, x is equal to 2. So x minus 1, x plus 1, you can take a square minus b square, or you can directly substitute 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3. The next. So let's go for the next section. Yes, so we go for next page. Yeah, 2, second page over, now third page. Yes. Yes, please check the questions from 19 to 24, 2 minutes. If you check the sums, I will explain. Please check it. Right, let's do. Here, the 19th question. The 19th question, the following questions identify the different option from others. The pattern is different, okay. Here 5x minus 5x, 4p minus 4p. Observe, C is unlike term. These are unlike. These two are like terms, like terms, like terms. The same like, here we get 2a square. Here also you will get 2a square because minus and minus is plus. Here you will get 2a square, but here you will get 0, right? A square minus a square, plus into minus is minus, you will get 0. Okay, no? The next one. Problems on addition and subtraction, single correct answer type, only one answer is correct. Let's have some more sums here. Let's remove the bracket because we have negative sign before the bracket. We have to change the signs of the terms which are having inside the bracket. Okay. Then 4x minus 5x is minus 1x plus 2y. Minus 1x in the sense x, answer is D. Option D. Right. The next from 6a minus 2b, if we take away 5a plus 3b, we get. Take away this will come subtraction, like change the signs and add minus 5a minus 3b. What you will get here? 1a minus 5b. 1a minus 5b, option A is correct. And here a is equal to x plus 2, b is equal to 2x, then find the value of a plus 2b. So b should be multiplied with 2, then we have to add for a, right? So let's see here. So a value is x plus 2 and b to be multiplied with 2, already 2 is there, 2 is the 4. Then you will get 5x plus 2. X plus 4x is 5x, 5x plus 2 is the answer. Where is the option? C is the right option, right? First a value we will write, then b, expression b should multiply with 2, then we shall add with a. Then here the question is like decimals. Let's take the positive decimals first. 0.2, 0.9, 0.5. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 2 plus 9 in the sense 0.2 plus 0.9 is 1.1. 1.1 plus 0.5 is 1.6. 1.6 minus 0.7. 16 minus 7. Right? 16 minus 7 obviously. Of course, here x terms separate, line y terms separate. Or no, it's not like all terms to be added. Okay, x terms are 0.2 and 0.9, and 0.2 plus 0.9 1.1x, and minus 0.7 plus 0.5 minus 0.2 you will get option B. Please check out the answers once. Let's go for the next page. Here we go to the next page. I'm scrolling up from 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just have a look on this. We'll do these sums. Right. Here is the question 25th. 0.5x, 0.65x. Here what are the like terms? 0.5 and x. 0.5 and x. So 0.5 minus x in the sense 1. 0.5 minus 1. 0.5 minus 1 was how much? Minus 0.5. 1 in the sense 1.0. Subtract 0.5 from 1 because 1 is the big, then 0.5. So obviously we get here minus 0.5 x, right? Minus 0.5 x. The y terms we have the fraction. If you would like to convert 4 by 5 as decimal, you can convert it. If not, just take the LCM and we can do. 4 by 5 I would like to write the decimal form, right? How many 5s are 4? Yes, 0.85 is the 4. Yes or no? 4 divided by 5, we get the decimal in the quotient place. 0.8 into 5 is 4.0. So 0.4 times. Sorry, 0.8 times. 0.6 minus 0.8. 0.2, yes, option C. Option C is the correct. And then simplify. Here we have product and here we have product. Let's multiply, then we have to simplify. 3x and x is 3x square. 3x and 2y is 6x square y. and 4xy plus 4y square. If you see here, minus and minus is plus. 3x into x, 3x power 2, 3 2s are 6, x square y. So here any like terms we can simplify, if not we shall leave like that. And 3x into, yeah, this is not x square, that is only x, there is no square here, right. Now we can subtract 6 and 4, we get 2, 3x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. 3x square plus 2xy plus 4y square, option D is the correct one, right. So let's go for the next sum. Simplification. A of a minus b, b of b minus c, c of c minus a. A of a minus b plus b of b minus c plus c of c minus a. A of a minus b, b of b minus c, c of c minus a, right. So first we multiply like this, a into a. A into a is how much? A power 2. Is a power 2, a into b is ab, b into b is b power 2, b into c is bc, c power 2, ca. Let's write in order, square terms in the beginning. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. Where is the option? Yeah, here option B is correct. Right. The next one, in third page, no? Yeah. 28th. 28th is a identity, x plus a and x plus b, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X plus a and x plus b, let's work on it once. How to multiply the two binomials? Here two binomials we have. Sometimes we get confused while doing these kind of problems. So in the first term, let us take the first one, first expression, and take out the second binomial and then split like this. So we have splitted x plus a into x plus b. So x into x plus b, a into x plus b. So x into whole term and then a into whole term, we shall multiply like that. X into x, x power 2, x into b, bx, ax plus ab. In the middle two terms, they are like terms. If they are 2x plus 3x, we can add 5x and we'll write. But they are not numerals, literal terms, variables like ax plus bx. Suppose if I say a and b are constant, what we do? A plus b we do, no? 2x plus 3x, what we will do? 2 plus 3 we will write. We do, and then we will write 5x. 2x plus 3x, how we are adding? Like associative we are applying there. 2 plus 3 of x, 2 plus 3 is 5x. So likewise, ax plus bx also we can take like a plus b of x. Then what we will get? This is the answer here. Please check out. We get the answer like this. Right, x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Then option C is correct. X minus 1, x plus 3. We apply the same rule here. X square, I am applying the same rule, plus a plus b. What is a? Minus 1. What is b? Plus 3 of x into minus 1 into 3. Here x square minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is how much? 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 ones are 3. X square plus 2x minus 3. Or else if you would like to multiply in the first binomial, first term into second expression, and second term into second expression, that is also correct. Or you can use the formula. Here also we have the identity. Here also we have the identity. So which identity we use here? Let's check. X plus 8 into x minus 8. Here x square plus 8 and minus 8. 8 plus 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 8s are 64. AB. X square minus 64 is the correct answer. Right? Next. So here we have done nearly 30 objective. Let's have some more objective. Yeah. This is page number 4. Let's have a look on this. Please check it out. So in this one, x power 3, y power 2, x power 3, y power 2, these all are like terms, right? So these all are like terms we can add, but let us do carefully. Here it's a 1, minus 0.7, 1.3, minus 0.4. 1 and 1.3 is 2.3, and minus 0.7 minus 0.4 is 1.1. Minus 1.1, we get 1.2 plus 1.2 x power 3 y power 2. So where is the answer? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Right? Next 34th is also same like that. First we have to check whether all the terms are like terms or unlike terms. If anyone is unlike, we don't add or we don't subtract, we separate them. First we have to check that one. So here x power 2 y3, x power 2 y3, x power 2 y3, all are like terms. Let's take the numerical coefficients 1, 1.5, 1.4. These are positive. 1 plus 1.4 how much? 2.4. 2.4 minus 1.5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 0.9 x power 2 y power 3. 0.9 x power 2 y power 3. Okay. Then this one, p minus minus plus minus q minus plus p. Here anything cancellation, plus p minus p we can cancel, plus q minus q we can cancel. What is the answer? Minus q plus p. But this is not the right order. I will go with first p. In alphabets p will come first. So we will go for p first. So p minus q is the answer. Option B is correct. Okay. Next 36, simplified form of. So here also all are like terms, x power 4, x power 4, x power 4 we have. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1.5, minus 2.5 because both are negative. Minus 2.5 plus 3 by 7. 3 by 7 decimal form, if you want you can write, or else you can cross multiply. 25 sevens are. Please check 25 sevens are. 175 plus 3 minus 17.5. Yeah. Minus 17.5 plus 3. So we will get minus 14.5 by 7. So let's do the simplification on the board. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1.5, minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 plus 3 by 7. We have to simplify that. Minus 2.5 plus 3 by 7. Just cross multiply. 7 5s are 35. 14 plus 3 is 17. Minus 17.5 plus 3. Minus 17 plus 3 is minus 14.5. So decimal, take the 0 in the denominator or multiply with 10 by 10, you will get 145 by 70. Let's cancel 5 table, 1, 4 and 29. Minus 29 by 14. Let's check the answer. Yes, option C is correct. Minus 29 by 14 x power 4 is the answer. So likewise 37 also we will do here. Please check 37. So in this, there is a coefficient of 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. First we have to multiply with 1 by 3 and 1 by 6, then we have to go on. So first I am multiplying 1 by 3, it's like this, 2 minus 2 by 3, here I am writing, minus 2 by 3 p, and 6 we can cancel here, and 6 and 3 cancel, we will get 2q, and here 3 times 3r. And the second expression, minus and minus plus, and here cancel 2 times 2p by 3, and here 3 times again minus minus plus 3q, here 4 times minus into plus minus 4r. Right, here any cancellations, minus 2 by 3p minus plus 2 by 3 cancel, and 2q and 3q, 5q will come. Yes, here is the answer, 5q minus 7r. Right. Anita is x years old, her sister is twice her age. What is the sum of their ages? Anita is x, sister is 2x. What is the total? 3x. Right. Mathematical statement is given, we have to convert into like expression, then we have to simplify that. So in this session we have completed like almost 38 objective, and the rest of the object I will just show you. You can practice that. Yeah, you can practice this objective. You can practice this objective like 41 to 44. And just check it out. Here we have product in the sense multiplication. Here in this session, so all are like terms, a b square b, ab. So for multiplication, no need of like or unlike, just we can multiply the numerals, that's it. For addition and subtraction, we need only like terms, that's it. So product, first you have to multiply with 2ab every term in this expression. Then here first we have to multiply with a with the second expression and b with the second expression. Then we have to take the sum, that means the cancellation and all. Okay, so hope you have followed this session, and in the next class we will start in a new topic. Right, thank you.